how to stop Safari from opening apps the easy way. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can easily stop the Safari application inside your iPhone from opening the application it directs to. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, simply open your Safari browser, and inside Safari browser, as you can see, I've already searched NCS Music. It's for non-copyright purpose. So first, when you click on the videos from the browser, as you can see, it redirects me to directly to the YouTube application. So to prevent this from happening, you just have to head back to the Safari application and click long on the video you want to open. And as you can see the preview there, simply click on this option here, open in Safari. Once you click on it, it will open in Safari and it will remember your choice the next time you do this as well. So let me show you once again. When I click back and once again come into this section of the screen, and once I click again this link, as you can see, it's opening in the Safari browser, not in the YouTube application. So to revert it back to so that it can open back in YouTube application, we have to do click on back and once again click long press, and you can simply click on open here, open in YouTube option. And once you open in YouTube, as you can see, it's again redirects you to the YouTube application. So that is it guys, that's exactly how you can easily change or stop Safari from opening application the way you want. So thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.